HTC has been quiet, but now the HTC U23 Pro has been launched. With the new model, HTC aims to make an impression in the upper mid-range. It brings back features from the past, such as the status LED, micro card slot, and audio jack. Let's open it up and take a look at its internal structure. Power off and remove the SIM tray. Use a metal opening tool to create a gap at the edge, apply a little alcohol, and use a plastic opening tool to loosen the adhesive around the edges. The back cover is made of plastic, which poses no risk of cracking, thus making self-repair easier. This HTC model is only released in a few regions, which makes repairs more difficult. Polartec's one-stop mobile phone accessory website has collected all the parts for the HTC U23 Pro, so if needed, you can go there to make a purchase, and their professional repair team will help answer any repair questions. Opening the back cover reveals a camera module that has come off. It's unclear whether this was part of the original design or if it fell off due to an accidental drop during use. Continue disassembling by unscrewing all the screws and removing the bottom speaker. Next to the speaker, there's an integrated vibration motor. Continue with the disassembly of the top cover. If you take a closer look at the macro camera, you can see that it has indeed fallen off. This is a risk of disassembly. It's uncertain whether it can still work once reassembled. The top cover, it integrates several components, including the NFC antenna, wireless charging coil, flashlight, and some other antennas. Disconnect the battery connection. Next, detach the tail plug cable, and let's move on to remove the battery. Some friends may take great care of their phones using protective cases and screen protectors, but the battery is a consumable. After 2 or 3 years of use, it will need to be replaced. This battery is difficult to remove as the gap is very small, and there's no place to pry. The prying tool doesn't budge. Of course, you shouldn't apply too much force, as puncturing the battery is very dangerous. The charging port cable is a bit in the way, so let's first remove it along with the subboard. The subboard integrates the SIM reader, so be sure to remove the SIM card holder first. Be aware that this small board is very tightly secured and must be pried out through the screw holes. There are also 2 screws fixing the tail plug, so remove the tail plug cable. This part is easily damaged and susceptible to corrosion from moisture. When there are charging issues, replacing this cable is often enough to fix it. Back to the battery. To safely remove the battery, we'll need a solvent to break the adhesive. We use isopropyl alcohol, which is non-corrosive and non-conductive, making it safe for both your hands and the electronic components. Let's try again. And it comes off easily. You can clearly see how isopropyl alcohol instantly weakens the adhesive. The rest is the mainboard. Take a look at this rare headphone jack found in flagship models. Remove the mainboard, and 70% of it is covered by heat-dissipating copper foil. There's still the fingerprint module and the earpiece module, but we won't continue disassembling those. Thank you for watching, and for more content, please visit our website.